Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Right. We got some stuff in the mail today. For our budget build. For our budget builds. There's one right there. Our main one. Another one right there. We got our handlebars. I got these off of eBay. I forget. I think I paid around 30 bucks. These bars are less. I forget. Here's the pedals. I'm not gonna disclose the colorway, but it's about to get pretty gnarly. Our pedals came in today. What else we got? We got some brake pads. Those are also blue. I got those off Design. I got the pedals off Design too. Amazon got some nice stuff, honestly. I got these V-brakes off Design too. Those are from my 26er coming this weekend. I already read all the reviews. Everybody say the brakes suck, and that's okay, because we gonna change right when it before I even ride out. Yeah, we ain't done. Something else I got off Design. Bike chain. That's also blue. As you can see, gonna be crazy. This bike is gonna be crazy. I got the cranks off today. It broke. As you can see. So whether I like it or not, I'm getting new cranks. So I was just gonna, reuse those, but I am gonna recycle those, because that's I'm gonna just get a new spindle for it. Those 3-piece are gonna go, because I'm already knowing this is a Tony Hawk Hug Jam, but I'm pretty sure it has 1-piece cranks on there. So I'm gonna put this 3-piece on there. It's gonna get a whole new bottom bracket, cranks. Everything's pretty much new. Also took off the headset today. Well, more of the headset. It just came on. Let's see. This is a stolen brand. I got a full complete bike for $5. Shout out Goodwill. With a lot of parts I'm gonna be recycling off of this bike, I'm gonna put on this one. This is basically gonna be a big recycle, and this is my real budget build. That's it for the parts today. Got some more equipment. Lube, of course, need that. And going to use this Evapo-Rust for the parts that I'm going to be recycling, like like this. Stem. It's a front load. Get some vapor rust for those old bolts. But it's a cool fit bike co. Stem. Cool camel. Clean it up. I'm gonna use this spindle. I don't know what brand it is. Somebody tell me. But the headset was stolen bike code. It's pretty shot. I'm getting rid of that. But a lot of these bolts are gonna be reused, like the ones for the cranks and stuff. I'm gonna use it for that vapor rust. But that's it for now. More parts coming and more work to do.